you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 54 and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. Today, I'm going to do a full face lifting massage with you guys. Face lifting massage is really important because as we get older, our face gets saggy. And this full face massage is about lifting chins and cheeks and also smile lines and eyes and forehead. So full face lifting. It really works and it's really good. So do this with me and you will see the difference. I hope you always enjoy watching my videos. Leave a comment down below if you like my videos and my face massages. I'm always happy to hear from you. If you want extra anti-aging tips, there are videos available and how to watch those videos. The link is down below. Those are really good, so watch these videos if you want extra anti-aging tips. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this, and right here. Do this for 10 times. Next, right here, so hold here, hold, and make your hands like this. All the way up. Do this for 10 times. Next, switch the side. So right here, hold, and make your hands like this, same way, 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. So this way and this way. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. And here. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, so under your eyes. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this, so in the middle.